In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Google Ads account if it's been suspended due to suspicious activity, walking you through the process of making an appeal to lift that suspension. Now, it's important to understand that a suspension can feel overwhelming, but with the right steps and a bit of patience, you'll be able to resolve this issue efficiently. First, we'll head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by opening your browser and typing ads.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the sign in button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account details, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Upon successful sign in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home interface. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to navigate to the Tools section. In the top menu, you should see an icon resembling a wrench. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Select the troubleshooting option from there. Troubleshooting is a crucial tool that assists with resolving many issues, including account suspensions. Now that you're in the troubleshooting area, look for the Policy Manager. You can usually find it within the available options on the screen. The Policy Manager is where Google lists policies and provides details on whichever ones might affect your account, particularly those that relate to suspensions. After you've accessed the Policy Manager, there's a section dedicated to appeals. Clicking on the appeal option takes you to the necessary form where you can start the appeal process. Here, it's essential to carefully read through any instructions or prompts that Google provides. They often want specific information about why your account may have displayed suspicious activity, and being as detailed and honest as possible in your response can greatly influence the outcome. When filling out your appeal, ensure you include any supporting documentation or clarifications that could help your case. It's about demonstrating your awareness and your commitment to rectifying any unintended breaches of Google's advertising policies. Once you've meticulously filled out the form, submit it, and then you must wait for a response from Google. Their response time can vary, so patience is key here. Keep an eye on your email for any correspondence. If your appeal is successful, you'll receive confirmation that your account has been reinstated. However, if it's unsuccessful, don't hesitate to seek further clarification from Google support. They might offer insights into specific actions or corrections you can make. And there you have it, a clear path to appeal your Google Ads account suspension and get back to business as usual.